Corning Cable Systems closet connector housings, CCHs, provide interconnect or cross-connect capabilities between outside plant, riser, or distribution cables and optoelectronics. Like all landscape solutions hardware, the housings accept CCH connector panels. In addition, the housings also accept CCH cassettes and CCH modules. This CCH-03U holds up to 6 panels. Other sizes are available. For a detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com. Whoa, this video ain't over yet. I do want to plug our channel. I want you to join us for all kinds of free videos on copper cable, fiber optics, networking, all kinds of other cool stuff. So don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos, and thank you.